In this video, we are going to work on prime on the bass clarinet part played on the clarinet because it's just easier to hold up and show you all the notes. And we are going to focus on measures 11 right here through 16. So I'm going to walk you through everything and then I will play it. So starting at 11, we have mostly half notes. We have a C to open G, then C to F, just the thumb. At 13, we have quarter note G, D, back to a half note G, then half note C, half note G, half note C again, and then quarter note F, D, and then at 16, that's a B flat, so the front toggle key for A plus the register key in the back don't cover any holes. Half note B flat, half note G. All right, so just make sure that you don't get stuck in a rut doing all half notes when the quarter notes come up. I'm going to play through this. My metronome is set for 151 beats per minute. It's a prime number. And here we go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. And that's it for prime bass clarinet part played on the clarinet, starting at 11 through 16. I would recommend going back and maybe watching this video again and trying to play along and slow it down as you need to before putting it back together up to tempo. I hope this helps, and we'll see you next time.